Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect WordPress to Godaddy. We will go through each step, making the process straightforward and easy to follow. You will learn how to prepare your Godaddy account, install WordPress with just a few clicks, and then configure your new website for a successful online presence. This guide is designed to help you get your site up and running quickly, typically in under 15 minutes, without any complex technical jargon. First, log into your Godaddy account. Once inside, navigate to your My Products page. Here, you will find your web hosting plan. Click on the Manage button next to your hosting to access its control panel. It is crucial that your domain name is already linked to this hosting account. If you purchase them separately, you might need to point your domain to Godaddy's name servers. This step ensures your domain directs visitors to your hosting space. Now, within your hosting control panel, look for the WordPress or application installer option. Godaddy typically offers a one-click installation feature, making this step very simple. Click on the WordPress installer, then select the domain where you want your site to be installed. You will be prompted to create an administrator username and a strong password. Also, enter your desired website title and an administrator email address. After filling in these details, click Install and wait a few moments for the process to complete. Once WordPress is installed, you can access your new site by typing your domain name followed by /wp-admin into your browser. Log in using the credentials you just created. From your WordPress dashboard, you can start customizing your site by choosing a theme and adding essential plugins. Remember to delete any default placeholder content. For enhanced security, especially if you plan to collect user data, consider installing an SSL certificate. Many hosting plans include a free SSL, which is vital for protecting your website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.